everyone. I'm currently decorating the shed outside for fall and desire to whip up 3 super rustic directional signs that will tell a story on the shed. So I collected up 3 different random boards, cut them at 45-degree angles for the tips, and this one even is taking up 2 boards to create super rustic random looking signs. So here's how to load a stencil brush. I like to load it with paint, then offload most of it so it's super dry to the touch. Then I know I'm ready for stenciling. So I'm just going to hold the stencil in place as I stencil, and I'm going to do a slight twirl so it's a little bit transparent because I want it to look weathered right off the cuff. Let's see how that turned out. Okay, that's great. You see if you look really close how it looks kind of a bit transparent here and there. It looks a little on the weathered side, yet strong enough that you can still read it from a distance. A chippy background will require a little bit of a heavier application so the letters pop against that paint. So what you might do is try spinning, and if it's not heavy enough, you can also tap for a little extra strength. And let's see how that turned out. Yeah, I think that's going to be really cool. So I'm outside at the shed, and I'm just attaching them to the shed siding with screws in a super random way. I think it's going to look adorable. And here's a little cheater install tip. Try installing them with only 1 screw to begin with, so you have the option to position them where desired. I think that's looking really cute.